How's it going, guys? George here with another video. In this video I'm going to be installing a CVT awning using these FrontRunner awning brackets. I know it's kind of bright back there, but I do have a FrontRunner bed rack and I also carry a FrontRunner roof rack. And I have absolutely zero complaints when it comes down to these bed racks and roof racks. They are honestly some of the best looking, most durable racks out in the market right now, and that is one of the reasons why I went with the FrontRunner bed rack. And what better way of complementing a FrontRunner rack than with a CVT tent? I know FrontRunner does carry their own tents and whatnot, but I've always been a fan of CVT tents. They're my personal favorite. They're super durable. I've had zero complaints, zero issues, no water leakage. It's super easy to wash and clean, and I just like the way they look. So I figured, you know what, why not? Let's get an awning. And sure enough, I ended up getting one, so that's why I'm making this video today. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started. So when I opened the box, I noticed that the bag was gray, and I was freaking out because I was like, man, they sent the wrong color. And it turned out that it was actually just a protector to protect the actual bag from getting damaged while it's shipped. In my opinion, I feel like that's a great idea, especially because when it comes down to shipping stuff, I know things can get damaged, and this is a pretty smart way to protect things. So when it comes down to mounting these FrontRunner brackets to the actual awning, it's pretty straightforward. You will have some of these nuts that are adjustable, and all you have to do is slide them through the actual bracket here, and they should go right in. Alright guys, so install the actual awning mount. There should be an opening underneath as shown in the video, and you're going to be using the actual bolts to put it through the hole, and then you're going to be adding the nut to secure it in place. For the top nut, you will have to slide it through the actual rack. Once you have it secured, go ahead and put the bolt on top and secure it. So once you mount them, it should look something like this. And like I said, this is just where I'm gonna mount them, but you can definitely move them around depending on how big the awning is or where you specifically want them placed. Alright, this part is gonna be a little tricky because I am doing it by myself. All I'm gonna be doing is mounting the middle brackets to the awning to secure it, and then I'm gonna be working my way to the left and the right side of the awning. As you can see, the awning is all set up. I was kind of struggling at first because it was my first time actually setting it up, but honestly it's really sturdy. I'll have to update this video once I'm out in the open and there's actually wind, but by the looks of it, I think it's gonna be alright. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to check them out, I'll put their link down below. And as always, thank you for watching. If you like these type of videos, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.